watch video and share. Hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 is a skincare product that combines hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5. Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance found in the skin that helps to retain moisture, keeping the skin hydrated and plump. It has the ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, making it an excellent moisturizer. Vitamin B5, also known as panthenol, is a humectant that attracts and holds moisture in the skin. It also has soothing and healing properties, making it beneficial for dry or irritated skin. When used together, hyaluronic acid and vitamin B5 can provide intense hydration to the skin, improving its moisture levels and appearance overall. They can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promote a smoother and more supple complexion, and enhance the skin's natural barrier function. Hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 is typically applied topically to the skin, either as a serum or as part of a moisturizer or other skincare product. It is suitable for all skin types and can be used both morning and night.